hi, let's get ready with me for a function, and I'm already late. So I'm going to keep it very simple, not going to do full glam and anything like that. Very, very simple. Like, oh my god. Like in the last video, it's going to be kind of similar, but yeah, let's see what I can do. So how are you all? Recently, I'm seeing so many people on Instagram making reels about that one friend, one best friend. Then people are talking about friendship breakups. I mean, it hurts more than normal breakups, like literally. So I thought, why not? I should also talk about my best friend. So I had a best friend. This story starts when I was 2 or 3 years old. I shifted to this new place, and she was the only person, same age, and a girl. So I was like, oh my god, I got a friend. But I was not ready for the roller coaster which happened. Oh my god. Let me just fix the sweat which is happening. So I was talking about my friend. So this friend I had was, my goodness, when she was like 3 years old, I was 3 years old, she was 3 years old. Oh my god, I forgot to say how pick me she was. She had a toy scooter, I had a toy scooter, and her toy scooter was broken and mine was new. So she used to say, let's share, and I thought sharing is caring. How wrong I was. The same thing happened when I got a new cycle and she got a second-hand cycle. She was like, oh my god, let's exchange. I was like, okay, sharing is caring because she is my best friend. How wrong I was. This was one of the biggest red flags I noticed. Like, this irked me as a kid as well. Then other things were there, but let's talk about the deal breaker which really happened in the friendship. Like, what really she said. This just made me gagged. I was gagged when she said this. So this happened when I was 13 or 14, okay? 10 years, like more than plus 10 years, we are friends at this point. And that was the time of social media, the boyfriend, I have someone special. Like, I still remember in school, if someone had a boyfriend, we were like, oh my god, this person has a boyfriend. Oh my god, like we used to do that. So she also had boyfriends, okay? Whatever, it's her business. But she said something so weird, which literally made me gagged. It gave me the ick. Like, this is one of the biggest red flags. She said that if I ever get a boyfriend, I should not bring him in front of her because he will fall in love with her. I'm sorry, what? She literally said that as a 13, 14-year-old, and I was like, what is she even talking about? That is insane. Just imagine your best friend tells you, if you ever get a man, don't bring him in front of me because he is going to fall in love with me. And I was like, so yeah. And after that, this was not the reason for the friendship that, like, it broke. It ended. Thank god it ended. But yeah, it was something else. It was one of the most silliest reasons the friendship broke. But anyways, I am so thankful to God that the friendship broke. And the worst part about this is her mother. Oh my god. Her mother actually used to take pride in this. Like, my daughter can take anyone's man. Like, it was that I can take a man if I want to. That energy. Her mother actually taught her all of this. So I am not shocked. Her mother used to be, oh, okay. Her mother used to be like, yeah, she can get anyone. She has that power. I taught her all of this. That is insane. And let's apply some glitter because, oh my god, I'm applying this without any concealer, without any primer. I'm just gonna apply it like this and use my fingers. Oh, that looks so pretty on bare skin. Oh my god, this is just amazing on bare skin. Like, this glitter is everything. Oh my god, my eyes look so good. Let's do my brows. You can do this kind of makeup if you are going to some morning function, you want a little bit of glam, not like full coverage, I mean, I get it, the full coverage and everything. I'm a full coverage, like, girly. Like, when it comes to foundation, I want it to be like a putty, like a cement. I want it thick and full coverage. But sometimes, you just want something natural, for the morning functions or some, your college function, farewell and stuff like that. From farewell, I remember this one time, oh my god, this happened with my seniors. So the farewell started at 10 a.m. and they reached at 10:10, 10 minutes late. How dare they go to their farewell 10 minutes late? And they were not allowed to enter. They were literally legit, they were not allowed to enter inside the campus because they were 10 minutes late for their own farewell. Like, oh my god, my college is just, it's with everyone's college basically. Whenever I talk with anyone, they will be like, oh my god, my college, my school. And they will say the most unbelievable and most unhinged things about their college and school. Every college is just great in their own way, I guess. And every college and school will have that one haunted bathroom. Have you ever had any ghost experiences? Like, tell me in the comments. Like, in my school, okay. I am really in the mood for some story time, I guess. So let's just do it. So in my school, in the primary section, there was a bathroom. Okay, of course. Actually, there were two bathrooms. In the corner, like in the end, there were two bathrooms, and one of the bathrooms was like this. Not bathroom, but you can say the stall, you know, was smaller than the rest. And yeah, it was the second last or the last one, the smaller one, you know, that there was something inside. And yeah, people, like, of course it was a girl's washroom, so no girl, like, literally went to those two bathrooms. They were like, nope, not happening. I don't remember if I went to those bathrooms or not, but I and my friends, these friends were let's just talk about them in another story. Wait a damn minute. Oh my, they have changed. What? Can you see that? Oh my god, are you like, they have changed the packaging. The new one, the cap of the new one is smaller. Wait, no, wait, not smaller. Wait, is it small? I guess the new version, you know, this is the NYX. I just love this brow pencil. Like, oh my god, if you don't know anything about brows, like literally zero knowledge, if you don't know the B of brows, this product is for you. Like, best investment ever. So they have changed the cap. This is the old one and this is the new one. Like, can you see that? It's smaller. Wow. Anyways, so what was I talking about? Okay, so one time me and my school friends, we went to this bathroom to check, and yeah, okay, that was something. So me and the other two friends, we went to check what is the tea, like what is the mystery behind this bathroom. So we went there and there were some noises coming from the, what was that, from the stall, you know, the smaller one, the small bathroom, the last bathroom stall. Some voices were coming and we were like, I'm sorry. And then we pushed the door, it was open, and something like from inside sniffing or some kind of muffling voice like coming out, it was coming out, you know. And yeah, we pushed the door open and nobody was inside. So yeah, I don't know what in the Harry Potter was that. Every school and college has that one washroom and bathroom. There will be a ghost or some story, some haunted story. I know that for sure. So let's do my blush. Oh, I'm so excited. I have never used this blush color. I have used this palette before, you know. This is the palette I have used in one of my videos, which I don't remember. I am thinking of doing I'm thinking of doing a little blushy moment. I don't have blush blindness, but yeah, today I am feeling like, you know, let's just do something blushy. I want my cheeks to look pink. Pink lips. Oh, that is pretty. I don't know if you can see or not, but oh my god, on bare skin it looks good, and it's very pigmented. So I'm taking like just a little bit, like, I just want that apple cheeks, you know, that pinky cheeks. Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so good on bare skin, like, ah, oh my god. Let's do my lips. So let me just quickly put my sari and jewelry on and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I really like this, like, very simple but glam. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. And yeah, and the picky friend, that is a red flag. If your friend ever says that if you bring your boyfriend in front of her, she will make him fall in love with her. And yeah, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I love it. This wet hair. If you guys enjoyed it, like, share and subscribe. And that's it for today.